can really hear you because the earplugs are out. Once again, a first-time truck winner, the 84 Junior of Brad Strickland. Brad, we've seen you have success in Bandoleros, but what's it mean to you tonight? First time ever to win in the trucks here at the Speedbowl.
It really does feel amazing. You know, I came all the way up from Bandos to this. It's just me and my dad, really. We work hard together. He does everything he does to make this thing fast. We finally made it in victory lane.
So, what was it like in the car during the yellow, the cautions, waiting it out?
Well, I got nervous because my exhaust fell off my header, so I lost power. So I was really hoping for another green flag run, but got screwed over. Is what it is. Got a good start, and somehow came home with it.
Well, now I know you have a lot of people to say thank you to for your first career win.
Absolutely. JFK Roofing, Premier Planning Professionals, Right Away Solutions, Captain Side Sport Fishing, and Rondo Racing Engines, HeatYourMeat.com, my dad for all his hard work, my mom, my uncle Josh, my cousin JT, my Auntie Liz, my Aunt Sonia, my uncle Jeff, my grandpa, my Mima. I have no words.
Well, there's no time like the first time that came tonight. Your winner, Brad Strickland. And now we'll talk to Austin Long. We're trying a couple of times that these guys had to go on the outside and try to pick up the win.
I tried. I think so. I tried, but that 84, they got it figured out right now. We've been struggling the past 3 weeks with carburetor issues. Made a change right before the heat, and we got it back. I just can't thank my mom, dad enough. Dad, it's just the same as Brad. Just him and I working every night in the garage. Wouldn't be possible without him. Kyle Giro, I know he raced tonight, but he can't spot. I want to give a huge thank you to him for all the support this year, spotting every other race. Thank you to Pierce Bertram, Arkwright Automation, Lulu and Ricky, BDI, Main Oxy, Hair by Emma Monahan, Papa and Grandma, Jan Electronics, Meineke Car Care Center, and everyone else. Thank you so much.
Austin Long, your second place finisher. Now we swing over to Jake Kutu. He's kind of changed the look on the 33 since it drove to victory lane, but tonight you were able to make the last minute run to get to the podium.
The truck was pretty good. A couple of things we're trying to work out. I'd say the biggest thing for tonight is to thank the 32, Randy Burr. We had a lot of mechanical failures and problems today, and they helped us get back on the track and really gave us a good time on the track as well. And I'd also like to thank Seekonk Hydraulics, B&L Trucking in Berlin, and Naturally Clean LLC, and of course my parents and my brothers for helping me get here today.
Jake Kutu with a third place finish.